Today, let's make some Disney Parks inspired Christmas ornaments. Hey, it's Mark. Thanks for tuning in again. Can you believe it's the most wonderful time of year? It's Christmas time again. And if your family's like ours, maybe you have this tradition of picking up an ornament every year on your family vacation, maybe it's at Walt Disney World, to come home and put on your Christmas tree. Now, the Disney parks and Disney Springs and Shop Disney all have wonderful ornaments to pick from, but they're about $20 to $50 a piece. And if you're like me, you don't necessarily have as much money as Scrooge McDuck. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own Disney theme park inspired Christmas ornaments for between just $1 to $4 a piece. And at that cost, you could even make your own mini themed Disney parks inspired Christmas tree. This craft is really easy, and it's even a great one to do with the kiddos. So step number one is just simply go get yourself some blank ornaments from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And you can really get any shape you want, doesn't have to be circle, and you can upgrade the ribbon as well. Step number two is to go online and visit sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Etsy and search for Disney Parks inspired stickers. For instance, I love Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress at Magic Kingdom. And this sticker is actually based on the cooling fan that John the narrator is holding in the second scene when he says, "This is the hottest 4th of July we've had in years." One thing I really enjoy about supporting the artists at Redbubble or TeePublic or Etsy is that they're not allowed to use official Disney intellectual property unless they want to get a Christmas card from the Disney legal department.
Bah humbug, you creative people.
So you're not going to see like images of Mickey Mouse and things like that. But this forces them to be ultra creative, and you get some really unique and humorous designs that you won't be able to get from Disney directly. Step number three is just to peel and adhere your sticker to your blank ornament, and there you have it. Just keep in mind your ornament size when you're ordering your stickers. My ornaments were 3 by 3 inches, so I looked for stickers around that size. So I made a couple more, including this one based on It's a Small World in Magic Kingdom. Yes, I'm one of those people that actually enjoys that ride. And you can see this is the clock face that you see as you walk into the entrance of the attraction. I also like the orange bird mascot that you can see in Adventureland. I think there's also a mural of him over in Disney Springs. And Peter Pan's Flight is also one of my favorite attractions. Anyway, what I like about this project is that you don't have to use a sticker. For instance, I picked up this Galactic Destinations postcard book last time I was in Galaxy's Edge. I think it cost about 20 bucks. If you could find it now on eBay, I think it runs about $40. But I made some ornaments out of these, and I think the price came out to about $2 a piece. Not bad. You could also just use a free parks map or a resort guide or anything printed from your trip that's free and just glue stick that onto your ornament. And the Disney Parks blog online actually has downloadable high-res wallpapers and characters and things like that that are free to use for your personal use. They even have some Christmas-themed wallpapers and things you can use. I hope this video has helped you to start to get into the Christmas spirit, maybe get those Christmas creative juices flowing. I'll be sure to leave a link to all the helpful resources in the show notes below. Love to hear from you. Maybe drop me a comment about your favorite Disney-themed Christmas decorations. And it really does help if you like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. That'll do it for the very first Christmas episode of 2021. And for now, I'm Mark for your Creative Brief.